The American Cowboy, the central character of America's colorful ranching heritage is the cowboy. The American cowboy has played an important part in American culture and history. The cowboy influence is embedded in stories, songs, legends, movies, arts, and fashion. Although the cowboy is generally considered an American icon, the traditional cowboy actually comes from a Hispanic tradition which originated in central Mexico known as charro. At the end of the Civil War, many soldiers had no home and no place to go. They started drafting to the west. Cowboys roamed and worked throughout the Wild West. To many, this term means guns, cattle, horses, and gunfights. It was a ragged country with few amenities and a lot of danger. The Western territories were appealing to the adventure and they were open and untamed. Many of these men only owned that they could carry a horseback. Ranchers hired these hard-working men as ranch hands. The ranch hands tended to the herd and did work around the ranch. When the time came to sell the beef, the ranch hands would round up the hand from the open barrier and drive the cattle miles to market. Popular stories about the cowboys despite them as rustlers or professional gunfighters. While this is true in some cases, the average American cowboy was often lonely, lived in harsh conditions, and was frequently exposed to danger. Despite this, the cowboys always kept their sense of humor and joked about everything. They did not make much money and enjoyed the simple way of life. Toe to nails, but generous and hospitable. These were the true Wild West American cowboys. The cowboy was the embodiment of rugged independence. Some names you might be familiar with are Butch Cassidy and the Sundance Kid, Buffalo Bill, Billy the Kid, Wat Rap, and Doc Holliday. Many of these cowboys become legends in real life and later legends of the silver screen. They rode horses, they sang songs, their horses did tricks, and their guns were shiny. They become American heroes. Modern working cowboys. Being a cowboy in certainly not a thing of the past. Throughout the US, you will find cowboys working on ranches and farms. The exact number of working cowboys is unknown. Cowboys are responsible for feeding the livestock, branding cattle and horses, and tending to injuries. They also move the livestock to different pasture locations or herd them into corrals. In addition, cowboys repair fences, maintain ranch equipment, and perform other odd jobs around the ranch. And last but not least, the cowgirl. The history of women in the West is not as well documented as that the men. However, in recent years, companies have decided time and money to researching the cowgirl tradition. The National Cowgirl Museum and Hall of Fame has made great efforts to document the history of cowgirls.